Are you struggling to create consistent, high-quality YouTube content? Discover how cutting-edge AI apps and your digital clone can automate your content creation process, effortlessly scaling your channel. The future of content creation is here, powered by intelligent AI tools designed to streamline every step. Platforms like HeyGen offer powerful features for ideation, scripting, and video generation, transforming your ideas into polished videos in minutes. These tools allow you to generate professional 1080p or 4K videos from text prompts, images, or audio clips, complete with lifelike AI avatars and voiceovers. One of the most revolutionary features is creating your digital clone, an AI avatar that looks and sounds just like you. The process is straightforward. Simply upload a short video clip or even a single photo, and the AI generates a lifelike duplicate. This digital clone can then be used in all your videos, enabling 24/7 content creation without ever needing to film yourself again. Imagine the possibilities. Batch produce videos, schedule posts, and personalize content at an unprecedented scale. Integrate seamlessly with YouTube and other platforms to manage your content flow efficiently. This automation allows you to scale your channel effortlessly, boosting your creation volume by 5 times and production speed by 10 times. Many content creators and over 100,000 teams, including Miro, are already leveraging this technology for marketing, sales, and e-learning. You don't need any editing skills. The platform handles everything, ensuring professional results every time. Ready to transform your YouTube strategy and achieve effortless growth? Try HeyGen now. Find the link in the description below to start your free plan, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips and content creation insights.